Welcome back to the channel. Today we are making something spicy, tangy and absolutely irresistible. Traditional Indian style fish pickle. This is one of the recipes passed down through generations packed with the bold flavors and preserved in the natural spices and vinegar. Let's jump into it. Here are the ingredients you will need. We are keeping it simple using just the essentials: fresh fish, chili powder, crushed garlic, fine chopped ginger, green chillies, salt, and vinegar. Each of these ingredients plays a vital role in flavor, aroma, and preservations. No preservatives, just pure traditional goodness. We are starting off by cleaning the fish. Make sure to remove all the scales, wash thoroughly, and clean the insides. Take your time with this step. Hygiene is key for any pickle recipe, especially when it involves seafood. I am using a firm fish here, perfect for pickling and won't break apart during frying. Now let's get to the heart of our recipe, the masala paste. We will chop fresh ginger, garlic and green chilies. You can use a mortar and pestle for a more rustic texture or a mixer grinder for a smooth blend. This paste is going to flavor both the fish and the oil, so don't hold back. This combination is not only tasty but also acts as a natural preservative. Now we will take a bit of that paste and apply it directly to the fish pieces. This quick marination will add depth of flavor. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes if you have time, or you can fry right away. Now let's get frying. Heat oil in a pan. Traditionally we use coconut oil, but seems or mustard oil also work great. Generally place the fish pieces into the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry until they are golden and crispy. And oh, the smell is coming, man. That amazing aroma you are getting, that's the ginger garlic and chili paste doing its magic. Once the pieces are nice and crisp, remove and set them aside. Now let's make the masala base for our pickle. In the same oil, rich with the flavor of fried fish, add a new mustard seeds. Let them splatter. Next, add some more chopper ginger and let it fry until golden. Now, time to add the rest of the paste we prepared earlier. Stir it well and let it cook slowly until the raw smell disappears. You will see the oil separating and the paste turning beautifully aromatic. Now gently drop the fried fish pieces into the masala. Turn the flame to low and mix slowly. Be gentle. We don't want to break the pieces. Coat each piece thoroughly with the masala. This step is where the magic really happens. All the flavors marry together beautifully. At this point, you can add a little vinegar and salt if needed. It enhances the taste and helps preserve the pickle. And there you have it, our homemade flavorful Indian fish pickle is ready. This tastes best after a day or two once the masala seeps into every piece. Enjoy it with hot rice, curd rice, chapati or even plain dosa. It adds a fairy kick to any meal. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more traditional recipes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next delicious episode.